Here we are. The grand view. We're standing by the cliffside here, Christine and I. We have Jeremy's Waterfall over there in the foreground. Yeah, we're at camp. You've got Mount Agassiz and the mountains behind us. And we're, I don't know, probably the second tier out of 7 in Naturalist. You can see the basin below. Looks pretty nice. Then we have the overhanging waterfall over there that you can see, that we're going to take pictures of tomorrow. What else? You be very careful right there. You have Christine standing on the ledge.